in this vehicle is I'm having the notorious noise from the rear diff, which has been discussed with on M5 board in quite some detail. So it's very simple. There's one bolt right there, and then the top one is going to be your fill. Just make sure when you fill this up, have the car as close to level as possible for the top one, so that you don't overfill the rear diff. And the other thing is loosen the drain first, and then the top fill afterwards. Don't have to replace these necessarily. You just need the fluid. So as you go ahead and loosen the drain, make sure your oil catch can is ready in place. It's going to be the old oil. Also, these are magnetic here, I believe, so they're going to catch any kind of metal particles that you have on here, which you can inspect. It doesn't look too bad. It's very slight metal shavings on there. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to use a little suction gun. That guy right there to refill. So it's a very simple process, takes about 20 to 30 minutes roughly. Hey guys, so everything is complete. The only thing I didn't mention that you would do is before you put the old bolts back in, go ahead and just take a piece of rag and clean the inside part of them where the magnet is, to take off the old metal shavings. And then also, before you put everything back together, I had a leak in this diff due to that bolt not being tightened all the way. Whoever did the service before, it was actually very easy to loosen it. So I had a leak here, as you can tell, and the old diff fluid burned on the exhaust pipes. So if you have this issue, do your best to clean everything up with brake cleaner or a heavy-duty degreaser before you finish, to make sure that you don't have the fumes burning off the exhaust for a long time to come. But that's it. Takes right around 1.3 to 1.4 liters of gear oil, and good to go.